Hello everyone, introducing the Resume Builder feature from EduBridge, available on www.edubridgeindia.com. Our AI-based resume builder enables you to effortlessly craft a professional resume. Let's discover its impressive functionalities. It offers AI-based suggestions and valuable tips to enhance the content of your resume. It also includes a spelling and grammar check feature to ensure error-free documents. With a wide range of templates to choose from, you can create a polished and professional-looking resume effortlessly. To get started, simply log in to your account and go to the dashboard. Access the My Resume section and click on Create New Resume. Fill in the required sections such as contact details, work experience, education skills, custom section, and summary. Take advantage of the suggested improvements and tips provided by our system and select a template that matches your style and click download. Your personalized resume is now ready for job applications. Take the next step in your career journey today by experiencing EduBridge's Resume Builder. Visit www.edubridgeindia.com and unlock exciting new opportunities.